got 4 races off. It was a lot windier than yesterday, especially in the morning. We had a nice east wind, so it made the upwinds pretty long going against the current. There are only 15 full rigs out there, so everyone's pretty close together. No one's really getting that far away. So hopefully we get some good wind, and if we do, just keep grinding and working hard and staying consistent, top 3 finishes, and close out the regatta.
Yesterday was a little lighter, and so we had trouble kind of keeping the boat flat, whereas lighter teams could kind of be out on the wire easily, whereas we were in that marginal zone, which is really difficult to keep the boat moving. And so today it was windier, and we could go on an easier lane and just kind of hold our own.
Some of the areas where we felt that we were stronger than the rest of the fleet were definitely some of the starts. Especially with this current, it's a big deal, and it's huge to be able to get off the line with speed, especially with a bunch of great sailors from around the country. We've been hearing rumors that the forecast is supposed to change up a little bit, but we're not trying to worry about it. It is what it is. It's going to be what it is. So we're just going to have to wait until tomorrow and the next day and see what the weather brings and try and rock again.
I love the Gorge. The Gorge is a great place to sail, pretty consistent breeze a lot of the time, and this current makes for some really interesting racing, especially when you've got a channel and it's more current on one side and really big breeze a lot and just all kinds of stuff going on. It's really neat. Mitchell is he's something else, and especially in heavy air, you can just go, and I just try to do my best to keep up with him. I'm one of the bigger people in the fleet, so big breeze, that gives me a chance to, stretch my legs a little bit. That's just really fun, especially it challenges you a lot.
We like big breeze, and we like to keep the boat flat, and it's really fast to sail flat in 29er.
James is pretty solid on the course. All his boat handling all over the course is sort of complete and strong, and just everywhere is accelerating and gone.
He's keeping the boat a lot more flat than most of the other guys. We're getting there, but he's still flatter.
We've also only started sailing together just before nationals, because his helm was off to college, and so substituted in, I guess. So never sailed together before then.
This is Newt signing off on day 2 of the U.S. Youth Sailing Championship.